Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a conversation talking about a dream job. Ria, hi Anu, you look deep in thought. What are you thinking about? Anu, hey Ria, I was just thinking about my dream job and my future. Ria, oh really? That sounds interesting. What's your dream job? Anu, my dream job is to become a teacher. I love explaining things and helping others learn new skills. Ria, that's wonderful. Teachers play such an important role in our lives. Why do you want to become a teacher? Anu, because I enjoy sharing knowledge. I want to make learning fun for children and help them believe in themselves. Ria, that's so sweet, Anu. I think you will be a great teacher one day. Anu, thank you. What about you, Ria? What's your dream job? Ria, I want to become a travel vlogger. I love traveling, exploring new cultures, and meeting people from different countries. Anu, wow, that's amazing. You will get to visit beautiful places and make videos. Ria, yes, but it's not an easy job. I will have to plan everything, record videos, and edit them carefully. Anu, true. Every dream job needs hard work and dedication. Ria, exactly. But when you enjoy your work, it doesn't feel like work anymore. Anu, that's a nice thought. I think both of us should start preparing for our dreams from now. Ria, yes, I will start learning video editing and you can practice teaching small kids. Anu, great idea. Let's support each other and never give up. Ria, deal. One day we will proudly say we are living our dream jobs. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.